Welcome back everyone. Today video is about free GPT and Claude Code models. It means you can access GPT 5.6 and Claude Opus 5 4.8. These for free for the first week. The Aerolink website gives you $35 for free for the first week and you can use them for the GPT top models and the Claude Code top models. So let's come here to the pricing and I will show you. As you can see, as a starter, for the first week, you can get $35 and use them for the top premium models. And also, I will show you how you can integrate it using Claude Code. If you prefer Codex, so you can use Codex also. But we will use it inside Claude Code and use Claude Opus 5, the top model, using these credits. Okay, for the first, you will get $5 for the first 5 hour, and you can get $35 per week for the first week. This is the starter plan of them. And let's get started, okay, to access and integrate it and use these free models. So search for aerolink.let LAT extension. So after searching, opening the website, you can see the user interface. At the start, you can see 35 free. New account get 1 week of starter. It means for 1 week, you can get $35 to use for the premium AI models. As you can see here, $5 per 5 hour and 35 per week. It means per whole week, you can get $35 and you can use them for the premium AI models. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing we will just press this if you have your account login, or we will move to the get started. Okay, this is a fresh account. So let's move with Google account. So I will press this sign up with Google account. I will select my Google account. So continue. So I have created my account. As you can see, it looks like this. So you can get GPT 5.6. That is also ready. Let's move to the models where we can get the models. Okay, where we can API key, documentation lag, or overview. So I will just show you which models we can access. So for the models, we can move to the view setup. Here we can see, okay, we can get the GPT models and Claude Code models. GPT 5.4, 5, 6 and Claude Opus 4.6, 4.8. These models we can access. So now to use it with Claude Code, so instead of Codex CLI, I will prefer use Claude Code. So for the Claude Code, we will go through this setting. As you can see, first of all, install Claude Code. I have already installed my Claude Code. Okay, I will show to you. Claude version. So let's check the version. As you can see, 2.1. If you didn't install Claude Code, so here you can see the settings, the installation setting also. You can copy this command and install it. Now create an Aerolink API key. So let's create an API key. So here you can click this link or come here to the API keys. And we will create our first API key. Let's press this new key. And here we will assign a name like test key. And create secret key. We have created our API key. Now let's copy that. Okay, let's copy this and done it. So after copying that, let's come here back. So I will store it somewhere. So I have stored the API key. Now come here back to the documentation, to the Claude Code. Okay, we have copied our Aerolink API key. Create a settings.json file. So let's now to use, it means to change the setting of Claude Code from default models to move to the Aerolink API. So for that, we will move to the settings.json file. It says move to C drive username.claude folder, and Mac and Linux also find.claude folder. So let's move to the C drive, users, username, and find.claude, and come here to the settings.json file. Let's find settings.json file. If this file was not existed, you can create by your own. So let's remove all this code and I will copy this code. Let's come here. Okay, this environment variable, this code, and paste it here. Save it. As you can see here, now we will paste our base URL instead of API key. Here we will paste our API key, and here we will have base URL as like this. That's it. Okay, already the base URL is existed, and here also our API key. In these two places, we will paste our API key. I have copied my API key and pasted that here. That's it. Okay, simply that's it. I have saved that. That's it. Now let's close it. Let's open now Claude Code back. Let's close this. So I will open the PowerShell inside this directory. So let's open Claude CLI. So yes, I trust on this folder. Sorry, do you want to use this API key? Yes. Yeah, we would like to use our existed own API key, but it says there is a crash warning between two API key because I have already had the system environment variable. So I will just show to you. Edit system environment variables because I already had the API keys. Look at Anthropic base URL. I will delete this and Anthropic default models. So I will delete all these Anthropic models. So that's it. Now let's save it and save it. Let's close it and reopen. So that's it. Okay. So now it is now referring to Opus 5. Come here to the slash status. On status, you can see our base URL is Aerolink. Okay, that's it. And for the settings, for the model, default model. Let's press escape button. Now we will just try write hello. So let's once, yeah, just I will just this is internet connection issue. I will solve that. So let's once again we will try it. Hello. So as you can see, hey, what are we working on today? So let's ask from this, which model is this? Press enter. So we are using Opus 5 right now. That's it. This is Claude Opus 5 1 million context. That's it. It means we are using one of the most powerful AI model, which is Claude Opus 5. Let's check our usage here in the setting. Come here to the usage. So as you can see on the usage, so we have used 6%, 5 hour included. Okay, $0.32 used. The reason is that we are using the top and most wanted Opus model. We can change the model simply. Come here to the slash models model, and here you can change to the from default to Sonnet 5, Sonnet 5, Eco 4.5, which model you want, so you can use that. But the default one is Opus 5, Opus 5. So this is all about this. Okay, as I have showed you that you can use Claude Code for free and get $5 for the first 5 hour and $35 for the first week through Aerolink. So it was all about the today video. I hope the video was helpful. So please like the video and leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.